We have seen many having dull skin, and that hinders their self-confidence and eventually affects their physical and mental health. If your skin glows, you will feel much more confident. This is because glowing skin indicates that you are healthy and care for your face. Beetroot juice is a great detox agent for glowing skin. If you drink it every day, it clears your body from the inside and flushes out all the toxins, giving you healthy and glowing skin. Topical application of beetroot juice on the skin also exfoliates and expels dead skin cells to reveal the glowing and clear skin beneath. Today in this video, I will share how to make DIY for glowing skin with beetroot. So let's start my video. At first, you will need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Dabbing the moisturizer, which is loaded with aloe vera on the face, will always keep your skin soft, hydrated, and glowing. 1 tablespoon of beetroot powder or beetroot extract. It is anti-inflammatory and boosts the skin's appearance. 1 vitamin E capsule. It also protects the skin cells that make collagen, thus helping you have a radiant and glowing appearance. Mix all these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Your glowing DIY is ready. Daily apply on your face as a night cream. You will notice a big difference in 1 to 2 weeks. To hydrate and soothe your skin while boosting radiance and skin elasticity, try this simple homemade beetroot face pack.